The Pennsylvania Department of Health preparing for the CDC to approve COVID-19 vaccine booster shots for everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Evan Forrester. Fox 43's Harry Lee joining us now to explain how vaccine providers plan to handle another surge of appointments.
Well, Evan, currently the CDC has only recommended an additional shot for seniors and the immunocompromised. But federal public health officials have said they anticipate boosters will be needed for the whole population, including a second dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The Department of Health announced a new order focusing on making vaccine appointments accessible. Vaccine providers will have to offer scheduling online and by phone, walk-in appointments, and work with community groups to vaccinate the homebound.
Providers are ready to start administering boosters as soon as we have the CDC guidance.
Plans for booster shots come even as the state struggles to reach official 70% vaccination goal. So far, only 66% of Pennsylvanian adults have 2 doses.
While there is absolutely a lot of talk about getting boosters or getting the 3rd dose, it's very important to remember that it's never too late to get your first dose of your COVID vaccine.
Officials know they alone can't convince everyone to get the vaccine.
Those of you who have been vaccinated, I'm asking you to speak to someone that you know, tell them about your vaccine experience.
Officials are still prepared for a surge. They say unlike last spring, they have enough vaccine to meet demand for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd doses.
The limiting factors that were there previously in supply are not there. And so we see it as our obligation and our duty to be able to say the order is being able to require the appointment making and really take the best lessons learned from the spring and prepare for doing 2 missions at once.
Now the CDC says they expect booster shots to be available sometime this fall for people who got their first dose at least 8 months ago. The new guidance is set to be announced Thursday.